today is the second week that I'm hosting my art club for the people who love to smoke that weed, that Mother Earth. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ray, and I just wanted to make a little vlog about my art club that I started. I'm basically wrapping up now because it's almost like the sun is setting, so I just want to get closer to my house before we can start. But it was actually not fucking bad at all for it being 90 degrees today. The wind was blowing really nicely, and yeah, it was really nice, this club that I made. But I just wanted to show what I made. So let me just do that really fast. So I put some. I have some prints. Let me see if I can find it. They're literally like this. Okay, and you stamp it onto something. Yeah. And that's what I put on here. I have 3 of them, but I don't know where the other one is, but it's fine. I will find it when I pack everything up, because that is what I'm kind of in the middle of doing. Hang by myself. Anyway, let me continue with these pants. And then I painted some eyeballs on them. And then I started wanting to make some type of cheetah pattern thing, but I think it's just cool detail. So the back are so sick now I want to wear them. And the front, I put some patches on it. So I put this one, this Ice King one. Oh, you can't even see it. Shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay. And then this one, it's a drawing of mine. I showed it in my sketchbook tour. My side hole sketchbook tour. Number 1. Okay. And that's mainly the big thing that I did work on, was these pants. Majority of it, I was working on these pants. I dabbled with some other things, but whatever. I brought so much stuff. I brought all my paints. I brought clay. I brought charcoal, pastels. I brought paintbrushes. I brought Mod Podge. I brought, of course, the E600, yo. I had glued my patches onto my pants, and then I started sewing on the as a decorative stitch for the other thing. Yeah, but today was an awesome day, and I just wanted to show what I made. I brought bead making supplies too. If anyone wanted to make themselves a friendship bracelet or whatever. I also brought incense. Bro, but I got these incense at Dollar Tree. There's 50 of them in here. I didn't even see that when I bought the box. I assumed there was 10. Okay. I got 50 for $1.75. Anyway, I'm also choosing to go home now because like I have to use the bathroom. Like, yeah. Anyway, I'm done talking now. I'm gonna like pack up and get ready to go home. Yeah, but here's one. Oh wait. Okay, but last look at the setup. It's really cute, and it's like nice and windy today, so tuning in. But today I'm definitely going to be painting some rocks. Okay, I already painted a little bit, but I want to paint like more. I have this container that I want to fill up with painted rocks so that I can go and hide them around the city. I just know that I was like procrastinating about it for a very long time, and I don't know, I made some like really cute ones, and like I'm like, I don't need these rocks in my house. Yeah, so it is now the next day, and the rocks, their bases, they're done. Finally, they're done. So it is now time to start adding more details. Well, in this part of my video, I am going to be hiding some of my, and today I'm hosting my art club. It is just me right now. It is still fucking an awesome time. I'm still vibing. Like, I'm so grateful that I did come outside today. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's where we began. Okay. This is random, but I have a chair, some poetry. Sorry. I thought you were here. It's going out, and so yeah. And so, like, this time is a home.
Excuse me, ma'am. I got my ride for the pick me up. Do you mind if I see this grass right here?
I don't, yeah.
It's got to do with my girlfriend. I told you about.
Like, the park was genuinely going so good, but then there was like a freaking weird guy who was like, can I sit behind you? Like, can I sit in this grass behind you? Like, is it okay? And then he's like shakes his head like this, like at the end of his question, like in ways to where it's like, It's like, you're not fucking asking me, like. And there was like 2 other benches, like not even like a bunch of feet away. And ooh, that scared me. He decided to sit right behind me. Like, I just ruined it. Like, I was gonna read my poem and I was gonna hide my rock right there, but I wasn't able to do that. Glad I did get to hide one rock though. I have all these rocks. Like, you could almost miss it if you don't look.